Hello guys, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we are going to look into question number 1 bit 4 from exercise 1.4 of the chapter 1 called real numbers. So let's see what is given in question number 1 bit 4. Looking at the question, it is saying that without actually performing the long division, state whether the following rational number will have a terminating decimal expansion or a non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. And the given rational number is 15 by 1600. Guys, just we need to find out whether the particular rational number, that is 15 by 1600, is terminating or non-terminating. So let's see how we can solve this question. Solution: whether the below rational number will have a terminating decimal expansion or a non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. The given number is 15 by 1600. This is what we need to find out. So looking at the question, we need to just determine whether the given rational number is terminating or non-terminating repeating decimal. That's all guys, just we need to determine whether it is a terminating or non-terminating. For this purpose, we should be interested to know the factors of the denominator if it is of the form 2 to the power n, 5 to the power m. Guys, we already went through the theorems, theorem 1.5, 1.6 and theorem 1.7. These are the three important theorems. If you haven't seen my videos, kindly look into my videos having these three theorems. These three theorems are most important to determine whether a given rational number is terminating or non-terminating. So keeping in view these three theorems in our mind, let us move ahead. So let us now find the factors of the denominator, that is 1600. We need to find out the factor because after getting the factors only we can decide whether it is of the form 2 to the power n, 5 to the power m or not. So 1600 is divisible by 2. Further, we are getting 800. 800 is divisible by 2. We are getting 400. 400 is divisible by 2. We are getting 200. 200 is divisible by 2. We are getting 100. 100 is divisible by 2. We are getting 50. 50 is divisible by 2. We are getting 25. Now 25 is divisible by 5. We are getting 5. And again dividing 5, we are getting 1. So here our factorization stops. So guys, we could see that we are getting 2 and 5 as the factors. Now I can write 1600 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5, which is nothing but 2 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 2. So I can represent the rational number like 15 by 1600 is equal to 15 by 2 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 2. Hence, as the denominator is of the form 2 to the power n, 5 to the power m, we can easily say that this number is a terminating rational number. Guys, if you look at the denominator, it is of the form 2 to the power n and 5 to the power m. So as a result, we can say that this is a terminating rational number. Hope guys you understood this calculation. This is really easy. If still you have any questions, kindly reach out to me in the comment section of this video. I will definitely get back to you once I see your comments. If you really like my video, kindly subscribe and let your friends know. This will motivate me to make similar type of videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.